Welcome to Ramayana by Valmiki. This is ninth episode. The way Bali was killed. Written and read by Madan Mohan Tarun. Ram asked Sugriv to go to Kiskindha immediately and challenge Bali for a combat. Ram and Lakshman both proceeded to Kiskindha with him. Ram stopped near a tree where well-shaped free ground was available for a combat. Ram told him that he will hide himself behind a tree when they fight with each other. He will kill Bali from behind with his arrow during their combat. He should only try to bring Bali at this point, which was near to Rishyamukh. Following the instruction of Ram, he entered in the boundary of Kiskindha and challenged Bali from his door. Frightfully, Bali ran after him, hearing his challenge. Sugriv took him to the place fixed by Ram. Both brothers started fighting with each other. Both had not only tremendous strength, but also they resembled as the same. Ram could not distinguish between the two. He decided not to take any risk. Sugriva, finding too much delay in action of Ram, he ran away from there to Rishyamukh, as he was badly tired by now. Ram told him the reason of not using his arrow. Next day, before sending Sugriv to Bali, Lakshman plucked a part of Gajapuspi creeper and coiled it around his neck as a sign. Sugriva went again to Kiskindha and challenged Bali. This time Tara, the wife of Bali, suggested him not to go after him. Sugriv looks to be fully prepared this time. There is some other strength working behind him, but Bali did not stop. They both started fighting with each other, and at a massive point, Ram released his killer arrow from his well-known bow from behind, which finished the drama of the life of Bali forever. Sugriv was celebrated as the king of Kiskindha again. His loving wife was back to him. Life is a tough master. It does not award any mark extra unless one proves worthy of it. Even Ram had to clear some tests to prove his superiority of strength on Bali.